Here are the top 3 Solana meme coins you absolutely need to load up on before September. These projects have been outperforming a lot of the meme coins in the market, and I'm not just talking about the top picks, I'm talking about coins that have some crazy upside potential. Welcome back to the 99bay YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a deep dive on these top 3 Solana tokens. As the meme coin market is starting to pick up, we're seeing altcoin season about to begin, and we anticipate once altcoin season goes in full effect, we'll have the meme coin season next. And that being said, we need to start loading up now as we get some tremendous discounts. We're looking across the top meme coins, guys. We're seeing down 3%, down 2%, down 5%, down 11%, down 10%, down 5%, down 23%, 22%. We can see there's some massive discounts and massive opportunities to earn a solid bag, and now is your time to load up. We're taking a look at the top Solana meme coins. We can see that's holding approximately $6 billion in market cap alone in the Solana ecosystem. The massive players in the space are Dog with Hat, Bonk, and Book of Meme. And for this sake, guys, we will not be talking about these 3 tokens. Instead, I have a slightly different list. Again, still top performing tokens on terms of Solana, but where I think there's some more buying opportunity. The first project on the list is Popcat. For a simple reason, it's down. Yeah, it's up 11% in the 24 hour. When we look on the 1 week, guys, we're seeing we're down about 10% on the month, also in the red, which gives us a solid entry point because, again, you make your profits when you buy, not necessarily when you sell. So if you actually load up on the red days, that's where it shows you the most opportunity where you can earn a bag. This project has a $424 million market cap, so it's not small by any means. And again, it's a meme coin. It's very simple, community-driven meme coin. The website's very simple. It's a cat. You tap on the screen to engage and interact with it, and that's it. They're also crushing it in terms of social presence, as they've been trending online, growing a massive community, and doing everything that a successful meme coin project has to do. Over 56,000 followers, and this is just the start. This could be a top cat meme coin, and we definitely need some of that. Okay, now the next token on the list is GigaChad. GigaChad has been trending for the past couple weeks now. We can see it is currently ranked number 6 in terms of Solana meme coins. It's up 15% in the past 7 days and up nearly 2% in the past 24 hours. Now again, this may not be a solid entry point because it is pumping quite a bit, but I need to mention it because it has some crazy upside potential. In a world where all meme coins are dumping right now, this is one of the very few projects that's actually in the green. I made a whole dedicated video about GigaChad just a couple of days ago when it was pumping. I told you it was going to pull back. Now we have the opportunity to pull back. I anticipate it's going to have another launch. Now, longevity wise, am I going to buy GigaChad and hold it forever? Probably not. I think this is a quick trade, and I see some crazy upside value here at a less than $200 million market cap. This could easily hit 500 million, potentially even a $1 billion market cap if it trends the same way Mommy's been trending, the same way Daddy's token has been trending, and the same way RTN token has been trending. I think this has that similar potential. It has a similar meme-ish effect, the masculine alpha male style, which has been trending for some reason. People go crazy with this. Now you pair this with being on the Solana network, which has been absolutely trending this whole market. It could be some savage buying opportunities here. Now, the last token on this list is Ponk. Ponk is a meme token. I want to say that took some massive inspiration from Pepe token. This token is up nearly 10% in the past 24 hours. On the week, we're in the red. So again, still some buying opportunity. It is currently in a recovery phase. We go to Mint to get a full clear picture, and we can see it's recovering from a steep loss. These are my favorite entry points. When we see massive amounts of rent and we know the project has a solid backbone, has a solid community, and has some solid data that shows that this is going to recover, these are all open for optimal entry points, and we are seeing a great entry point at the 30-cent mark. This project could easily bounce back to the 70-cent mark and potentially even the dollar mark in the upcoming weeks, especially when the bull market goes in full effect. The meme coins go into full effect. We're going to see Ponk trend like crazy. So Ponk, the golden child on Solana. So again, where a lot of tokens want to be a mascot of Solana, this wants to almost be like the baby of Solana, kind of like we saw with Shiba Inu. Ponk is available to trade on all major exchange platforms, not necessarily Binance and Coinbase just yet. Very clean website, something I love to see. Shows that little attention to detail, which goes that one step further. Now, this is my top 3 Solana meme coin picks, but I want to leave you guys with a bonus if you watch all the way to the end, and that is Play Doge. Guys, this project is in pre-sale right now and raised over $6 million. It's a Doge themed token that has a play to earn element. It's actually play to earn. It's a Doge in the world of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet where you can play to earn Doge token. It also has staking as well, where you can earn up to 75% AP, so it's solid. This project has a pre-sale which is ending in 5 days. They've raised over $6 million, which is showing a ton of investor confidence. I'm very, very bullish on this project. I know you guys are gonna love it too. I'm gonna link this in the description below if you want to load up, and let me know if you load up as well. That's my top 3 list, guys. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? What tokens are you gonna buy? And was there a token that I missed out on? That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Like always, none of this is financial advice. Always your own own research and due diligence, as I'm not a financial advisor. It's your boy Umar. Peace.